सब के लिए बड़ी बायस मसरत है। अल्लाह भगवान ईश्वर आप सबको ज़ियादत करीम हसन अता फरमाए।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम, अम्मा बाद। In the name of Allah, good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. It is a big day for Indian citizen. India became independent on 15th August in 1947 from the British rule. We hoist national flag on this day. On this day, everybody sings the national anthem. Respected people, Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. We should feel proud to Indian. Thank you so much. I love my India.
बहुत खूब। अब मैं हिंदी ज़बान में जो